Hello and welcome back to another video. In this one, we'll be taking the second topic of Laplace inverse, and that is partial fractions. In the last video, we explained the direct form of Laplace inverse, which we took a fraction that looked like, for example, the Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s minus 1, and that would equal to exponential t. So we took a fraction that looked like a Laplace transform function and we turned it back into its equivalent in the time domain. In the partial fraction topic, we'd find there is fractions that aren't a straightforward function. For example, 1 divided by s minus s squared minus s. So to solve this, we must turn this fraction into two fractions. And to do so, we use partial fractions. So we do the following solution. We take the Laplace inverse of 1 divided by, we take an s as a common multiple, so we have s multiplied by s minus 1. Now we turn this fraction, this one here, into 2. So we have a constant a divided by s, which is this one, plus b divided by s minus 1. Now we multiply both sides by the denominator of the left hand side. So when we multiply both sides by s multiplied by s minus 1, we get 1 equaling to a multiplied by s times s minus 1 divided by s would equal a multiplied by s minus 1 plus b multiplied by s minus 1, and that fraction, the s minus 1 cancel out, therefore we are left with just b multiplied by s. Now we distribute a, we get as minus a plus bs, and we have just the one here. Now we find the values of the constants a and b. So minus a equals negative equals 1. A is equal to 1. As plus bs is equal to 0, since we don't have a something multiplied by 0 on the left hand side. So we have as plus bs equal to 0, and we divide by s, we get a plus b. And since a is equal to negative 1, we have a, which is negative 1, sorry. So we have negative 1 plus b equal to 0, so b is equal to 1. Now we take the new values of a and b, and we substitute them back into this equation. So we have negative 1 divided by s plus 1 divided by s minus 1. So now all you have to do is take the Laplace inverse for these two. So the Laplace inverse of negative 1 divided by s is negative 1, plus the Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s minus 1 is exponential t, and that's the final answer. And that's how you use partial fractions. So we used partial fractions when we can't have a direct form of Laplace inverse. So we can't just take a fraction and turn it into its equivalent into the time domain. So for example, if we have s squared plus s to the power 4. We can't take the Laplace inverse for this one. So we use partial fractions to find the solution in a different way. Thank you for watching. Like if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and share if it's helpful. Thank you.